The next design factor that I'm going to talk about in these series of slides is the design factor performance. The definition of performance is given on the slide. It reads, performance of a product is a measure of how well that product is able to perform the task it was designed to do. In your higher design and manufacture course, there are a number of aspects of performance that you need to learn, and these aspects will affect the performance of a product. These aspects include durability, value for money, maintenance, running costs, and materials and manufacture. In relation to the performance of a product, durability is really important. Durability is the life expectancy of a product, and designers need to make sure that they produce products that have an appropriate lifespan. You wouldn't be very happy as a customer buying a product if it didn't last a reasonable length of time. So what affects durability when you're designing? There are three things that affect durability, and these include how a product is used, i.e. the use of a product, the market niche, and planned obsolescence. The durability of a product will depend on how the product is used and also in the conditions in which it's used. If we think about a car wing mirror as an example, that car wing mirror needs to be able to withstand certain conditions of use. It's likely to be hit by road chips. It's going to have to be able to have a high resistance to chemicals when it's been washed. It might get knocked by other vehicles. It has to have a high resistance to sun exposure and temperature exposure. So it has to have the properties, the material has to have the properties to be able to cope with these conditions, and if it doesn't, then that would affect its durability. How the car wing mirror is used is obviously going to affect its durability as well. If someone was to sit on the car wing mirror, then that's going to break it, and hence that would significantly reduce its lifespan, i.e. its durability. The target market can have an influence on the durability of a product. Market niche is a specialised section of the target market. The price of a product can, for some products, be used to identify a particular market niche. Let's consider the example of men's shavers. The market niche is described as men who want to buy cheap disposable shavers. This is in contrast to those men who buy more expensive shavers. The cheap disposable shavers will be less durable than the more expensive shavers, hence the effect of market niche on durability. The durability of a product can be affected by planned obsolescence. Planned obsolescence is a strategy used by companies. What they do is they plan the lifespan of a product, i.e. the durability of a product. Companies don't want products to last forever because this would affect their ability to maintain sales. In planned obsolescence, products are designed to become obsolete at a specific time in their lifespan. This can be achieved by causing the product to fail as a result, for example, of using certain types of materials and construction methods. Another way of implementing planned obsolescence involves launching different versions of the same product over time. In these cases, consumers replace their products with newer versions, hence helping the company to maintain a regular turnover and consistent profit. Consumers are encouraged to replace their existing products with newer, higher spec models. This is illustrated on this slide with the picture of the different versions of iPhones launched over the last year or so. Having watched this narrated PowerPoint, what I want you to do now is to attempt the following 3 tasks. Your answers to these tasks should be typed into your OneNote journal. Although you are learning to be a designer, we should always remember that we are all consumers. In your lifetime, you will have bought many products or had products bought for you. Thinking back on these products, ask yourself the question, were you happy with how they performed? To complete task 1, what I want you to do is to discuss in writing a product that you have bought which either performed well or poorly in relation to durability. Comment on how it was used and conditions of use and their subsequent effect on durability. A teacher's example is given on the slide to help you do that, to help you before you write your own answer. The next 2 tasks should also be attempted, and answers should be inputted into your OneNote journal.